Mga bagay na hindi mo gagawin pag may boyfriend ka na. This is for my girls, so if you wanna know all about it, here we go. Unang-una sa lahat, first thing of course, girls, you have to stop talking or entertaining other boys. This is the bare minimum, girls. So, I know, probably may mga guys talaga na talagang i-pursue ka pa rin kahit na may jowa ka na and all. Pero, nasa sayo na don't entertain those men. Lalo na if you are already in a relationship with your current boyfriend or your husband, okay? Kahit na nag-react sa stories, kahit na simple like, whatever, kahit na simple text, stop. You should not give any reason to your boyfriend or your husband na mag-cause ng selos or other uncomfortable feelings. Okay, girls? Number 2, if meron ka ng boyfriend, girls, you have to look at your boyfriend as your teammate, girls, or as your partner. Hindi as kaaway, kalaban, or something na kailangan pataasan ng pride. Hindi ganon. Tandaan mo, naging magka-relationship kayo dahil teammates kayo. Dahil may kayong future na gustong tahakin. Dahil may goal kayong gustong achievein. Everything should be na kakayang i-communicate. Kung mayroon kang mga problem na nararamdaman mo sa boyfriend, may mga frustrations ka nararamdaman, may mga hinanakit ka nararamdaman, sabihin mo ng maayos sa kanya para maalam din niya yung feelings mo. At sa mga boys naman is maintindihan mo ng open-mindedness. Kung ano yung nafe-feel niya. Okay? Third thing, girls, is that because you have to learn how to trust your boyfriend. Wala, ang dami kasi mga babae na hindi talagang tinitiwala yung mga boyfriend nila for some reason. Yes, I understand it might be hard sa mga babae. Pero, if nakita mo naman na na-prove niya yung sarili niya, nakatiwa-tiwala siyang lalaki, hindi niya binibigyan ng reason para masira ulo mo, mag-isip ka ng kung ano-ano. You have to learn how to trust him. Kasi the more na magde-defend ka, na magkakaroon ka ng wall sa kanya, hindi mag-grow yung relationship nyo. It's always gonna take the merong wall na, ayun, ba't pa kayo naging magjowa kung meron kayong thick wall, diba? So you have to learn how to trust your boyfriend. So if my partner ka na, do not forget your family, do not forget your friends, and do not forget your career or your school. A lot of girls, they tend to forget about the other things and make i-revolve yung oras nila sa lalaki. The problem is, girls, kapag ganito ang mangyari, what if hindi ka nag-atuluyan? Wala ka na mabalikan. Pwedeng ganon. Make sure you always have a backup plan. Okay? Within your work and family and friends. Okay? Another thing, girls, is that you have a boyfriend and you have a partner, you have to be open-minded on trying new things together. Hindi lang sabihin activities. Kumbaga, new cultures, new beliefs. Yung mga bagay na minsan hindi mo alam may gitong ugali, makikita mo. As long as hindi ka sinasaktan at hindi naman grabe yung ginagawa na nakakatapang ng tao, you have to learn and adapt because relationship is all about adapting, okay? So, ayun lang. Nga!